is also known as tinned copper ribbon or tinned copper ribbon. Soldering ribbon is an important raw material in the process of PV module soldering. The quality of the soldering ribbon will directly affect the efficiency of photovoltaic module current collection. The power of photovoltaic module is greatly affected. The soldering ribbon must be firmly soldered in the process of string soldering to avoid the occurrence of virtual soldering and false soldering. Next, let's visit the soldering ribbon production line and see how the soldering ribbon is produced.